Take a moment to check out the 2019 Ford F-150. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, rear-wheel drive, stability control, split bench seat, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, conventional spare tire. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.